brand is priceless. Northeast #1 Electric Power Construction Company Limited is a well-known brand name in the electric power construction industry of China, practicing the mission of bring energy to the world and strategy aspiration of leading in energy industry and being the first rate in the world. NEPC is committed to be an advanced international engineering company. China Energy Engineering Group, Northeast #1 Electric Power Construction Company Limited, abbreviated as NEPC, is a wholly owned subsidiary of China Energy Engineering Group. Strength leading to the brand. NEPC headquarters is located in Shenyang, Liaoning Province, and sets up 6 branches respectively in Shenyang, Tieling, Liaoyang, and Shenzhen, with the overarching principle of 4 unifications. NEPC forms a control mode of 1 headquarter plus 6 branches plus 6 centers, including over 4,600 employees, among over 2,100 technicians and professional management personnel. Focusing its core business on electric power engineering, NEPC is also committed to providing electric power operation and management service, and is capable of undertaking the construction of coal-fired, oil-fired and gas-fired power plants, nuclear power plants, wind farms, photovoltaic power stations, and biomass-fired power stations of various parameters and capacities, as well as the construction of 110 kilovolt or below transmission line projects and substation projects of the same voltage class. NEPC also boasts the integrated management and control capacities of construction, commissioning, operation, maintenance, and EPC contract. The business scope of the company is also extended to other engineering fields like metallurgy, petroleum and chemicals, municipal administration, environmental protection, large-scale civil buildings, etc. NEPC owns overseas project contracting qualification, labor service export qualification, as well as export and import business qualification, and A-grade qualification for general contracting power construction project. It is also passed ISO Quality Management System, Environment Management System, Occupation Safety and Health System Authentication Certificates, AEO Management System Certification for the Customs and ASME Standard Accreditation Certifications. NEPC is capable of undertaking international electric power project on EPC and BOT basis. NEPC is capable of undertaking both civil and erection works of more than 15 units of 600 megavolt generating units concurrently. NEPC owns a complete training system to improve the professional quality and skills of both administrative and operational staff. Senior Management Training Center, Nuclear Engineering Training Center, Professional Technician Training Center, and a training base with special equipment welding training qualification and first-grade power industry welder training qualification. NEPC attaches importance to the development of project managers and blue-collar workers, guarantees the execution of projects by its sufficient qualified human resource. NEPC is equipped with advanced information management system with a central database at the headquarters connecting all agencies and projects all over the world, forming a comprehensive information management platform. For the guarantee of project quality, NEPC possesses first-class civil and metal laboratories with advanced equipment and devices, and for the backup of project execution, a logistics equipment base covered 43,088 square meters, which integrates equipment manufacturing and logistic distribution. Achievements prove brand name. NEPC was founded in the year 1951. Over the past 60 years, NEPC gained outstanding achievement and good reputation, filled 8 gaps in the history of China's electric power construction, and made great contribution to the electric power cause of China. NEPC keeps improving to increase economic benefits and create brand by refined management and service, and try our best to create immortal value for employees, customers, shareholders, and society. With the Quality Works consciousness, NEPC is committed to excellent project with good business model, strong technical strength, and the whole industry chain service capability, thus creating a bright future of the power industry. Services interpreting the brand. NEPC seeks outstanding management, promises advanced service, performs contracts with good faith, and remembers brand value. By providing brand services during the engineering construction, NEPC strives to build excellent projects to improve the company brand awareness, reputation, and loyalty, build a good corporate image, and set up stable customer groups and market position. Power plants scatter here and there as if they were shining pearls on the ground, forming a magnificent picture. Boost the power industry on honesty, build the ideal cooperation upon trust, achieve the leadership with morality. NEPC is building the most entrusted excellent team in all power industries and seeking perfection. We highlight unique brand value with profound professional quality by our rigorous and unremitting efforts. Liaoning, Shenhua, Kuohua, Shuizhong Power Plant Phase 2, 1000 megawatt Unit 4 Civil and Erection Project, undertaken by NEPC, was honored with the year 2011 National Quality Project Gold Prize. So far, 4 of NEPC projects were honored with China Construction Engineering Luban Prize. As one of the earliest participants of nuclear power construction, NEPC has contributed in construction of Guangdong Daya Nuclear Power Station, Guangdong Lingao Nuclear Power Station, and Liaoning Hongyahe Nuclear Power Station since 1989. From 2009 to 2016, NEPC has undertaken Liaoning Hongyahe Nuclear Power Station Unit 3 and 4 Conventional Island Civil and Erection Project. NEPC has contributed great effort in civil and erection of nuclear power engineering in Northeast Alpine Cold Region, with highly qualified erection and installation and better parameters which earned favorable comments of the owner. Still, NEPC is devoting to the construction of nuclear power projects. The Conventional Island Auxiliary Civil and Erection Project of Liaoning Hongyahe Nuclear Power Station Phase 2 Units 5 and 6, the Conventional Island and BOP installation of Liaoning Shudapu Nuclear Power Station Units 1 and 2, pressurized water reactor units. NEPC participates positively in the construction of new energy like gas turbine power plant, garbage power plant, wind power generation, biomass power generation, creating new performance on environmental protection and low-carbon engineering construction. NEPC has undertaken successively the Jiangsu, Yangzhou, Tianjin, Guangzhou, Liaoning Dalian and Beijing Chaoyang domestic garbage incineration projects. From 2004 to 2007, NEPC has undertaken the construction of Guangdong Shenzhen Jianwan 3 by 390 megawatt gas steam combined cycle units project. With the gas turbine and generator manufactured by Mitsubishi, it is the first batch of engineering projects that brought in the whole equipment sets of Japanese combustion engine and steam turbine and waste heat boiler generating technology in China. In 2013, NEPC has cooperated as a member of the consortium in the construction of Jiayuguan, Shigebei 50 MW photovoltaic power station EPC project, which has covered an area of 1,526 mu. NEPC has installed 179,200 polysilicon solar cell modules with 280 watt. The total capacity of photovoltaic power station was 50.176 megawatt. NEPC has a professional power station overhauling team, which has successfully undertaken the maintenance and overhauling works for a dozen China and overseas thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. NEPC has established a strategic partnership with China Nuclear Operation Company to enlarge the share in nuclear power overhauling market. So far, NEPC has undertaken the overhaul projects of Dayabei Nuclear Power Plant, Lingao Nuclear Power Plant, Hongyanhe Nuclear Power Plant, Taishan Nuclear Power Plant, Ningde Nuclear Power Plant, and Fangchanggang Nuclear Power Plant. Enhance brand development. In recent years, NEPC has vigorously implemented Go Out strategy, fully participated One Belt, One Road National Electric Power Construction Project, and enhanced its abilities of exploring new markets, financing, resource allocation, business operation, project management, and risk management to accelerate the internationalization process. From 2008 to 2011, NEPC has undertaken the Turkey EREN supercritical coal-fired power station 1+1 by 600 megawatt unit installation project, including supervision of civil works and all erection works of the two units. It was honored with the year 2012 China Construction Engineering Luban Prize. From 2011 to 2015, NEPC has undertaken the Lao Hongsa 3 by 626 megawatt coal-fired power plant project, including the erection of Units 1 and 2 and civil work for the 3 units. Project evaluation. Lao Hongsa power plant was better than other similar projects in other Asian countries, no matter construction speed or technological level of project quality. From a strategic perspective, NEPC strives to enhance its ability to undertake EPC projects, which is favored over the world. In international cooperation projects, NEPC provides owners with whole industry chain business of electric power construction, including perfect project management, technical support, and engineering services. On March 29, 2016, LT, the contract of Pyra 2 by 660 megawatt coal-fired power plant EPC project was signed in Dhaka, Bangladesh, marking a new era for NEPC to construct international power plant EPC project. On October 14, 2016 LT in Dhaka, Chinese President Xi Jinping and Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina unveiled a series of major cooperative projects between the two countries, including the Pyra 2 by 660 megawatt ultra supercritical coal-fired power plant project as a strategic outcome of One Belt and One Road and brand of Chinese production. The construction of the project will promote the development of Bangladesh economy, expand and deepen the cooperation on power construction between the two countries. With growing influence around the world, NEPC has undertaken the EPC contract of Summit Bibiana Phase 2 1 by 344.908 megawatt gas-fired combined cycle power station in Bangladesh. Conception 1 by 135 megawatt CFB coal-fired unit power plant EPC project, and Philippines Miasmas 3 by 135 megawatt coal-fired power plant EPC project. Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte attended personally the inauguration celebrations of Misamis Power Plant and Conception Power Plant, and gave a high appraisal of NEPC in project construction and contract performance. NEPC provides one-stop packages and whole life cycle management service for clients, which has successfully realized the perfect combination of whole industrial chain from EPC to operation and maintenance of power plant. In 2016, NEPC has first undertaken the operation and maintenance project of Philippines Plant Conception 1x135 megawatt CFB coal-fired power plant. The operation and maintenance service contract period is 6 years, divided into 2 phases, namely pre-operation and power plant operation. Culture leading the brand. NEPC attaches importance to the development of outstanding enterprise culture, on which it is based to build up the enterprise soul, to improve core competitiveness with the power of culture, and to transform the scientific management to culture management of the enterprise. NEPC always practice core values of the enterprise, undertake social responsibilities, realize harmony development among the enterprises, staffs, clients, nature, and society with green, cycling, and low-carbon developing concepts. NEPC adjusts to new normal economy, speeds up the adjustment of human resource structure and marketing schedule to push forward the transformation and upgrading and diversity development, and improve the comprehensive strength and brand image in order to write a new chapter in power construction. Energized by reform, enhanced by practical action, developed by innovation. NEPC steps firmly towards an industry-leading international engineering company, which is characterized by relying on its major business and considering multi-industry development.